At One Stop Decorating, our designers are very experienced in helping you choose just the right window covering for your French door. We take into account a couple of different things. How often do you use your door? If you open and close it very often, you're not going to want a blind or shade that wobbles around on it or knocks back and forth. Many of our window coverings actually have hold-down brackets at the bottom that hold it in place. However, for high traffic areas, there are some better options. One of the most popular options we do are custom shutters that cover your French door. Oftentimes those French doors have lever style handles that stick out into the glass, and it's very difficult to mount a blind or shade that passes behind or over that handle. We do custom shutters with a custom French door cutout where they'll actually come in and cut around that handle so that it's a nice finished look. And because it's a shutter, it's mounted inside of a frame, so as you open and close your door, it doesn't wobble around on the window or open and close arbitrarily. It's going to be something that stays adhered to that window or that door and that glass and easy to use. One of the things we have to be very careful of on French doors is how far you open your door up. There is a depth to all window coverings, not just the width and not just the length, but how deep it is or how deep it would fit on a recessed mount. If it's not recessed and mounted on the surface, we want to stay away from those that stick out too far, because if you open and close your doors all the way, that headrail is going to be more prone to digging into your sheetrock or your wall when you open that door. So we want to pay attention to how wide you open your doors, how far you open your doors, and what the right treatment is and where the best mounting space is on that. We want to be very careful with products that have cords on doors. When you open and close your door, you don't want to get the cord tangled up in the door or close the cord in the door. So we like to offer motorized or cordless options on those doors so that that's the cleanest look and the cleanest function and use possible.